Congratulations, you answered yes to both questions. It's wonderful. So you may choose to move forward to the I will commit to it worksheet. It is a choice you have. Of course, you may always explore new options by going back to the I will free my dreams worksheet, circle another thing, and work through the process again. It's totally up to you. There are no rules here to follow, only exploration and discovery. I do recommend that you ultimately choose one thing that you want to do and you love. Focus on that one thing until it is done. So your next step is to use the How Did I Get There worksheet, right? Choose 3 things that you can do now to start your journey. Future you is in you. Start to live in her now and don't wait. List the 3 things on the bottom of your I will commit to it page. Give yourself a date to complete them by too. Create a statement of purpose that reflects your goal and write that at the very top of the page. Create the time in your schedule to complete the tasks to get all of this done. Commitment is all it takes. Commitment is how I started all of this. I could have just as easily not done any of it. I could have slept in day after day and not done everything different. But when I asked my future self how I got there, because I'm working a day job and I have other responsibilities, she told me, well, the only way you did it is you woke up at 4 in the morning. And I was like, what? But I decided I didn't want to let her down, and that's where I want to be. You can do that too. It's one choice that you make over and over and over again. If I can do it, you can do it. I challenge you to do the same thing, not for me, not for your family, not for your friends. You choose to do it for you. This isn't for anyone else. Oh, and it isn't a one-day commitment and gets you to your end goal kind of thing. It's hundreds, thousands of tiny commitments over and over, choices for the future you that will get you to where you need to be. So be super kind to yourself when you miss a deadline or you miss a day. Don't make it mean much. Just pick up where you left off. One missed deadline doesn't negate future you. Remember this. This free program is meant to be a quick start on your journey. It is not the complete answer to everything. It's all you. Do what you will with it. Your empty nest life will be everything that you choose it to be. Choose you. Let me know how it goes too. I'd love to hear. You can email me at christine@youremptynestcoach.com. You're totally worth this work. Future you is waiting. The empty nest, it's just the beginning. See ya.